Okay, we are continuing on here in Excel Chapter 3 training. We are now at Activity 3.07, inserting a text box in a chart. Text box just contains additional information that we want our readers to have access to. So we're going to come up here to our Insert tab and come over here to a text box, just like we did when we inserted one into Word. Now we're going to come down here just underneath the C. You can see our mouse has changed to the line with the little arrowhead at the bottom. We're going to click one time, and now we are going to type in some information. Goal, colon, space, reduce administrative to 8%. Now, when we finished typing it in, we're supposed to hit the escape key. When we hit the escape key, it should go right to the next skill. If it doesn't, you probably misspelled a word in your box somewhere, so just go up and retype it. Or, as a last resort, you can always come back down here to the reset key, hit the reset key, and then start from the beginning. So I'm going to hit my escape key, and it takes us to the next skill. We now want to display our projected expenses data worksheet and change the value in cell C5. What we're doing is, even though we're not in the same data sheet, anything that we do into our data sheet is going to be reflected in our chart. So if we come in here to our projected expenses data, come into C5, which is the police projected expenses, so we're going to change that to 622,00338. I'm going to hit enter, and if we were to go back to our projected expenses chart, the police section now has a bigger piece of the pie. Back on our projected expenses data worksheet, we are going to insert the text general as word art. Going to give you a little hint and tip on completing this particular skill here. We're going to insert some word art, so again we want to go to our Insert tab, and we're going to now go clear over here to the right and select Word Art. We want to find the one that's the Fill Blue Accent 1 Metal Bevel Reflection Style. And that's the 5th column down here at the 6th row. So just make sure you're selecting the correct color. So now we'll go here, and we're supposed to type your text here. So you can start just typing it and just type in general all in capital letters, or if you want to make sure you have it selected correctly, you're going to click down here where it says your text here, and if you triple click 1, 2, 3, you have everything selected. Now we're going to type in general in all capitals, and we have our general fund expenses.